February 16, 1998, Bali Airport. On the warm island of Bali, 182 passengers were preparing to board China Airlines Flight 676 bound for Taipei. Among them were families returning home, students seeking new opportunities, and business people on work trips, all sharing hope for a promising future in Taipei. In February 1998, the aircraft assigned to this flight, an Airbus A300 with 7 years and 4 months of service, had recently undergone a thorough inspection as part of a safety policy implemented 2 years earlier. Following satisfactory maintenance, the aircraft returned to operation without issues. Shortly before takeoff, the crew, flying together for the first time, completed the required procedures for route planning, communication, and supervision to ensure the flight's safety. In the cockpit were Captain Jian Long-in, aged 49, with 7,210 flight hours, 2,382 of which were on the Airbus A300. And First Officer Yan Yi-chang, aged 44, with 3,530 flight hours, but only 304 hours on this aircraft model. At 3:27 p.m., the flight departed Bali en route to Taipei, covering a distance of 3,800 kilometers with an estimated duration of 4 hours and 40 minutes. The initial hours of the flight proceeded without incident. Flight 676 entered Taipei's airspace too high for a stabilized approach. Despite this, the captain attempted to descend rapidly using spoilers and flaps, but failed to clearly communicate his intentions to the first officer. At 8:02 p.m., the captain decided to abort the approach and perform a go-around procedure. During the maneuver, an accidental disconnection of the autopilot and poor coordination between the pilots caused the aircraft's nose to pitch dangerously upward, reaching an angle of 45 degrees. The airspeed dropped drastically, triggering the stall warning. Unable to regain control, the aircraft began to plummet. At 8:05 p.m. on February 16, 1998, Flight 676 crashed into a residential area near the airport. The tragedy claimed the lives of all 196 people on board and 7 people on the ground, also destroying several homes. The final report identified several factors that led to the accident. Lack of coordination between the pilots, poor communication and teamwork during the approach, and go-around added to the confusion in the cockpit. Errors in instrument monitoring. Critical indicators, such as airspeed and angle of attack, were not detected in time, leading to a stall. Incorrect decisions under pressure. Hasty and poorly coordinated maneuvers during the go-around resulted in loss of control. Adverse weather conditions, strong winds, rain, and low visibility further complicated operations. Autopilot disconnection. The crew did not properly manage the disconnection, worsening the aircraft's instability. China Airlines Flight 676 serves as a reminder of life's fragility and the importance of learning from every tragedy. The 203 souls lost that night will never be forgotten.